We'll guide you through how to delete a Trello card. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to the Trello website. Once you're logged in, go to the board that contains the card you want to delete. Click on the list where your card is located and find the specific card. Click on the card to open its details. Now, look to the right side of the card details window. You'll see a section called Actions. In this section, click on the button labeled Archive. This might seem like a strange first step, but in Trello, you need to archive a card before you can delete it. Once the card is archived, you'll notice a new option appears in the same Actions section called Delete. Click on Delete, and a confirmation dialog will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete the card. Confirm this action by clicking Delete again. Keep in mind that deleting a card is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to remove it. And there you go, the card is now deleted from your Trello board. Remember, if you accidentally delete a card, unfortunately, you can't recover it, so double-check before confirming. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.